with you again for another review. This review is brought to you by a company called, and I have my notes in front of me. I want to say Piboshi. So yeah, this company can be found on Amazon.com, and this is the men's money clip wallet. So it comes in this packaging, and I'm going to take it out so you all can get a good look at it. It looks like this. So yeah, very nice. It feels nice. It is a 100% genuine leather, and it also has this here. So you can, your guy can wear it on his jeans. Oh, excuse me. He can put it on his keys. You know, all that good stuff. So, yeah. But I love the gold detailing on it. On the inside. So, yeah. And it has 4 money slots on the front. So wanted to come on here and tell y'all a bit about this. This retails for $9.99 on $9.99 on Amazon.com. It has a 4.5 star rating out 4.5 star rating out of 5 on Amazon as well, and that is out of 158 people who have purchased this and reviewed this wallet. It says that it is a men's money clip wallet, leather slim, front pocket, magnetic RFID money clip wallet. So it does have a magnetic chip inside of it, and it basically, what it does, it prevents people from scanning your like basically trying to scan or get your credit card information or pick up your personal information like your social and, you know, all of that stuff. So it does have one of those chips inside of the wallet itself. As I'm touching it, I don't feel anything inside of it, so I'm not sure where it may be located. I don't know, but yeah, it is ultra slim and minimalist, but it does hold a lot, it says. So yeah, definitely very spacious in the inside, and as you can see, it is definitely very slim. It says it holds plenty of cash and cards, and it has a RFID signal. Okay, sorry y'all, but it does have a RFID signal that blocks when you're like traveling or shopping, and what it does, it blocks unauthorized scans and protects your vital information. It is 100% genuine leather, as I stated before, wear resistant, durable, and it has tough stitching around it as well. As I look at it, I don't see any piece of stitch out of place at all. Like sometimes you'll see where a piece of stitch is like loosening. I don't even see that anywhere on this wallet. It is a great gift idea, and it comes with warranty, satisfaction guarantee, in which you can read more about on this item's listing. As far as measurements, it is it's 4.8, 3.2, and 0.5 in measurements as far as size is concerned. So yeah, definitely a nice wallet. I'm going to give this to Babe. And yeah, definitely go check this out. All information will be down below in the description box if you lovies are interested. And like I said, it retails for $10 on Amazon. You can't beat it. And the fact that it has the RFID chip in it is great. I did not know that at first. When looking at this wallet, like, you definitely cannot tell that it has a chip in it. But yeah, definitely recommend if you're someone, you know, who's big on that type of security, you know, especially if you travel a lot. You definitely will want to invest in this wallet. So yeah, check down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.